Good morning, boys and girls. If you are like me, you spent all night thinking about, will the F-150 Raptor tow hooks, third generation, that's 2021 and up, front tow hooks fit on the Ranger Raptor? Well, they do. So you can take, if you like, your Ranger Raptor tow hooks and all of that, whatever it is, and put on a Raptor F-150 tow hook. Third generation and up, 21 to 25. That's an aftermarket tow hook I just happen to have laying around, and that's what it looks like. They are quite a bit lighter in weight. You'll just have to take my word for it, because my scale only reads in Spanish, and I can't translate what it says. But it is lighter, and it do look better, although that is kind of a funky looking one. But just so you know, it does fit if anybody wants to change out the tow hooks. And knowing is half the battle.